We've got a lot of rubbish to burn. And I think what would be nice, if we could clear all this, would be to have a bonfire party. That's here.
Oh, okay.
Watch you don't trip on that behind you, Tom.
Not all Andy a bit scared of the torch.
Yeah, that's it, Andrew. That's a do.
Yeah, but I'm not quite as scared.
Just let the rest of the paper off the sheet.
Alright.
What?
Who is our Hannah? Can't see you in this.
Why are you burning the door then if it's like Listen, sentimental? this is the time
There's no use.
if you want spuds, we should be putting them in, you know.
Oh.
Do you reckon?
You put them in the embers, don't you?
Yeah.
When it's gone, not when it's burning.
Yeah, you have to wait till it's all burned down, then stick them in tin foil, like in the bottom, I don't know. Yeah, there's a bit down here you can put one in.
As long as you can like fish them out.
Why is the fire all grey?
Grey?
Yeah.
That's the ash.
You can see the smoke coming through a hole in the door.
Yeah, I like that.
Who wants a burger?
Me.
You hold one.
Andy, do it again. Do it again with Waddy. Do it with somebody else.
I don't think anyone else wants to make an idiot of themselves.
Mummy will.
Why do you assume I'll be doing it?
Listen to this, everybody.
What?
What you just said.
Keep the froth.
Mum,
Yes.
will this garden set on fire one day?
Possibly.
It's
a possibility. It's a possibility.
My garden's on fire.
Oh. It's spooky.
Tell a story.
Story. Andrew worked lots and lots of overtime, and it came round to April, and he was over his personal tax allowance. Oh! Uncle Andy went on a big night out and drank lots of alcohol and ate a curry and a kebab. It was a very spicy curry. The next morning he came to the toilet to have a hangover poo, and it really hurt. Ooh.
And there was no bog roll left.
And there was no bog roll left.
That's scary.
It's fireworks.
Picked his nose.
Andy
And out came a...
Brave.
picked his nose.
Ew.
And when he pulled his finger out, he realised he'd unblocked his nose, and his nose was haunted.
Someone like your nose has.
Andy had nose hair.
That is a scary story.
There's a lot of fire engines tonight. Or is it policemen?
My first ever pumpkin looked really good.
Yeah.
You be careful you don't fall, Jay.
Jamie, don't run round the fire, please.
What?
Don't run round the fire. You might fall in.
You'd end up getting barbecued if you fell in that, kid. It wouldn't be very nice.
Well, I
need to go to bed
I
soon.
thought we were going to make spuds. Now, fire's going to waste. No one can be bothered. Wrapping them in tinfoil and all that there.
Auntie Hannah woke up and looked in the mirror.
And that was scary.
She looked ugly instead of funny as hell.
She did, yeah. And then she put some makeup on. It wasn't ugly and scary. What else have you got all over your face? Coffee.
Toffee apples. Did you eat the apples as well as the toffee? Jamie? Did you eat the apples as well as the toffee?